Top horse and
fucking go. Top is to the left, bot is to the right.
Jungle bot
not letting that
active.
guy play his funny game.
Enemies are invading, G6 split and assist.
I'm going bot.
I'm pulling
with you.
top far.
Wait, they're coming
No.
straight mid.
Pulling on 6 side.
I'm taking village. Or captain, I'm taking captain.
Okay. Community's popped now. See who's popped
I will
as
sit
well.
on the one on the
Two
tower.
dead.
Everybody pick your fucking targets and use cloud step up and cooldown.
I'm on captain.
I'm out of here. Strategic retreat.
Stay on him, guys. Don't get any turret damage. Stay on him.
I'm on the one on the turret. Their tank.
I'm on. Oh, you got that one to share. I'm
Yeah.
on peak shot there.
Oh, I'm taking massive down.
So over that bombs.
5,
We have the same timer for it.
2, 1. Pulling on. Oh no, that wasn't. Okay, pulling on the 12 side.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Naval horse. I'm on Billy.
I have Moblade ult, I'm going mid for you guys. G5 you guys stay. I'm pulling on bulwark right now, pulling on mid bulwark, pulling on mid.
Follow the call. Follow the call.
I've got no bomb. Got no bomb.
Oh my god, there are people top forward, I'm going back.
Healing wouldn't me.
Village free casting. Behind the tower, from our side.
Healer died once.
Ooh. That's some damage from these guys.
I got one.
Pulling mid. Pulling.
I'm horsing. Captain, free casting from behind. I'm on the horse.
I'm 1 HP.
I got him. Finish him off.
He's dead.
I'm out of here.
City
Don't let this one get away.
protection spot.
Must say that was a good ball.
Okay, let him go.
That was a good heal.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Is he going jungle?
We're staying here. And keep them here as long as you can.
They're running to us.
They're coming back now. I see them.
I have strat ult.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
If you can. Oh,
26 seconds on pull.
I'm gonna play off and keep them here for a bit longer. Look, it could die.
I'm taking captain again.
Everybody
Jungle
get
in
ready to
20
take
seconds.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Ulting on the side here.
Merc,
see it,
you
I
move
see
into
it.
jungle first, by the way. Just
Pulling
in
on,
case they
pulling,
stay, I
pulling,
wanna
pulling.
keep Nadir out here.
Capto good die, Capto good die.
Yeah, everybody go.
One dead.
Everybody go. Everybody.
Capto's dead.
Nice, 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 nice.
I'm out of here.
Healer and Nameless escaped.
Okay,
This
we
one's
need
still here.
Capto's revived, second life.
I'm coming close to you. It's fine.
He's going jungle. I'm following him.
Okay, follow
Hino
me.
knows. Serene. Stunned again. Can full die. One HP, Mino.
Oh my god, I got fucking stuck on the wall to shear. Same as you did. Oh, that guy was fucking dead if we got him there.
coming back mid, coming back mid.
On mid now. Kill Captain.
He's nameless, he's good.
Coming back.
Let him live, nice.
Right, I got gimped by
On the
that guy.
6 side, tank.
They're coming from behind.
G4 is moving both now.
Shatter the circle.
On mid now.
They are grabbing chickens. It's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna horse.
G5, move into
Shit,
mid,
I need heal,
G5,
I need heal.
mid here.
Do you see any nameless guys?
Pulling on 12 on mid right now. 4 people in it.
Fine.
They're feeling it down, careful.
They're all anti-heal dead.
Break the square.
Pulling mid, pulling mid.
Heal me.
Grand dive, just fine to drop there, it's fine to drop.
Okay, killed someone with a
They're sending
horse.
it, to Goose, G5 move to Goose as well.
What do you want us to do? Stay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Nice.
Smack, step up here with me to the choke point. If they come through, we can hold them off.
I have strat ult in 19 seconds. Do we just stay?
Yep, stay here. Get ready.
good job on boss.
Get them directly.
G4 is stay in base. Don't
I'm focusing Bellage.
assist on tower.
Whatever you got, bomb it here if you can. Maybe we can hold them off a bit.
10 seconds.
Where?
Just fuck them here.
Ah, never mind. Save it.
Pull them.
Get back into base then.
Yep.
Yeah, just
Okay.
fuck them,
One
just
dead.
fuck them. We have another party now. Pulling towards top side.
He's on the plane.
Okay, it's okay. With immunity ready. Immunity is top now, immunity is
The
top.
circle.
G6, come back fully, come back.
Kilo in the
Come back,
middle.
come back, come We're looking for search.
Pulling on mid.
Yeah, search is pop. Search pop. Full send it on the pulse. Full send it now.
I need heal,
All
I need
enemies
heal.
are anti. All enemies are anti.
I'm out of here. Strategic retreat.
They have a billion people melee on the goose. I need tanks to play melee on goose as well. Melee
I'm melee
I'm
on.
gonna be melee protection around the goose. No other tank on the goose. All the other tanks play around the goose. Goose is sitting on bot side gates. Goose is back in central. Look at middle choke right now.
I have bomb in 3 once I'm off the
Healer
horse.
out.
One guy free casting on 3 as well.
I'm going mid choke. 3, 2, 1. Now.
Jungle
Yeah,
in
mid,
60
mid,
seconds.
mid, mid, full send it mid, full send it mid, full send it mid, full send it, full send it, full send it.
I'm out of here.
Nice, 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 nice. Goose is sitting right in center.
Jungle in 40
pulling
seconds.
in center here, pulling in center, extend it, we have.
It's a good bomb, it's a good bomb, it's a good bomb. Follow up, follow up.
It's good, it's good. He comes, they're pulling as well, they're bombing as well. G4 is leaving, G4 is leaving already. Just play life now, no point in wiping.
Jungle in 20
They're trying to leave
seconds.
as well.
Keep on disrupting.
I'm holding mid too.
They're sending it hard into jungle as well. Yeah, G5 out, G5 out, G5 out. G6 stay for now. G6 out as well. I say, everybody out, everybody out, everybody out. G5
Out
top,
where?
G6
Me and
spot.
Smex go top every other bomb.
Bro, G5 top, G6 spot.
Oh, okay, my bad. Oh my god, there he is.
Guy. He's playing Gruts.
He's good. He's top in PvP. Shit.
Nice try.
Anti. Be quick on the jungle. If the camp is dead, you guys move the fuck back.
I'm going close one or
Heavy on top, be careful.
I think I got the jungle.
Let's get back to Goose.
Nobody's here on this jungle, man.
Everybody come back, everybody come back. There's city protection up as well.
I think we got it. Please run.
Who's sitting in center? I'm gonna do a pull in center right now. Pulling in center.
Following.
Extended, just full extend.
I'm DB ulting this shit, go.
They're all fucking dying, bro.
Shooting
And
up down.
out now, everybody out. Nice. Goose is sitting in front of the tree, tanks player near the goose.
Yo.
Guys, pick your names.
Good shit.
Almost every name is free casting.
Which side?
Wipe them, careful.
Pressure our switch build.
Okay.
Yeah, chase them out.
Look motion.
Chase them out.
One
Don't give
motion.
them an easy time regrouping.
Executing. Good shift. Peach surveys there as well behind the box.
See the next dive. Do you want us in attack?
No.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, G5 move offense. We have immunity. Usher, you take over calling. You let me know when to pop immunity as well.
You got it, boss.
Offense move. Sending party into offense. Just one bomb per phase.
They're on the way in now.
Coming in for side.
Get ready.
Some 6.
We're fine for now. Don't pop it yet.
Falling on mid.
Yeah, we're there.
Pop it now, come in a sec.
Pull
Yeah.
mid.
Nice
Pressure.
pull, nice pull.
Pulling on center right now. Pulling it.
Alright, spread out
died.
from the bottom, guys. Spread out.
I'm anti.
I'm going back. Helping you, Goma.
Good shit, everybody. Watch out for the bomb mid. Watch out for the bomb mid. Spread out from mid.
We're leaving.
Play safe. Everybody horse up.
I can hear you hot. I stunned.
They're bombing mid. Oh my god.
Strategic retreat.
Good recovery.
Careful at the gate.
Jungle
We're back.
in 60 seconds.
G5 is back now. Look on the goose. The goose is sitting on 3. They have like 5 melee DPS just hitting the goose for 3, bro.
I'm betting them all now.
Disrupt on the goose.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
We need some more bells.
Just one shot me.
Find us
Popping
with me.
ult.
I'm gonna bomb right here, come in a sec.
Yeah,
Bombing now.
pulling as well. Pulling in front of 3. Full send. They can all die. They can all die. Good shit, bro.
Jungle in 20
Now
seconds.
spread out. Look where the goose is at. Goose is sitting in center.
They're going jungle.
They're all moving to jungle.
Look mid gate.
Follow them. Everybody follow them. Everybody out and follow. Follow.
Aren't we too
I'm
late?
going. I'm going bottom.
Okay, everybody
G6
full
is going
PvE
bot.
focus. Full PvE focus. Full PvE focus.
They're going for the far cup on bot side. Never mind, he got put out.
Nice one.
Here, get back to
Kill,
goose.
kill, kill, kill.
Nice.
We need to move boss as well. We got a billion camp. Stay didn't. Good shit, guys. Good shit.
Are we going?
G6 is,
Nice, guys.
G6 is going back to base.
Yeah, G6 move into base. G4 is grabbing
Attack,
seconds now.
attack, move to boss. Attack, move to boss.
Go on, what's time we're on
Attack,
city
you guys
protection?
can
It's
move
not
forward.
letting me switch.
Okay, you're in full comms, by the way.
I'm bombing mid gate.
Following it.
Anti-healing now. Oh my fucking god, kill him. Kill him.
Okay, look at mid. Beautiful. Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Oh my
Good shit.
Kill them all. Yes.
Look goose, look goose.
Yeah, look
Near
goose,
the
look goose.
Immunities pop. I'm counter pulling on the goose here. Just horse the fuck up. Play live. Good shit. We have
Focus,
immunity.
Mino, Captain, and King Shao.
Good old.
Been out of here.
I'm scoping build.
They got the boss.
Yeah.
Take a boss. G4, come back immediately. Come back.
6%.
Yeah. G6, get ready. Move to 3 now already.
4%. And we still got city protection?
Nice, Merc.
I used
Keep
it.
on moving
Okay, my
on
bad.
Kia Sheriff, okay? Don't leave him.
G6, move towards the tree. Look on top side there, free casting from top. Motion is gonna be their carrier, by the way. Motion is the carrier.
died in the
Just
mid.
swap build. Healing. If anyone has healing ult, put it down now.
1 second.
Motion on tree. Don't let that fucker pick the tree.
Pull in
Don't
tree,
let-
pull in tree.
Anti-healing now. Kill him. He can
Look
die,
on
he
the
can
tree,
die,
look
he
on
can
the tree,
die.
look on the tree. Everybody look on the tree. All
He
right,
can die,
on
he-
the fucking tree. I'm pulling as well.
Start ulted. They all dying, they all dying.
Good shit.
Fucking god, I read him like a book. Shit, SBR.
We wiped them, sending one party. G5 offense.
Okay.
That was a pretty good bomb.
Pretty good bomb. Tashira, come here. You got a scuttle.
Asher, you're whispering to Gulut, by the way,
Run right now.
the entire time.
I told him.
What the fuck? Since when? When you see them coming back, strat or
One
Zach on
party.
top of the tree here to stop him from doing his thing.
Oh yeah.
At the very least,
Get
we can
out,
force.
get out.
We can
Oh,
force.
I'm going back, I'm going
Get back
back.
out.
I still have like 25
we're leaving
seconds,
again then.
but yeah.
I must have hit the wrong.
They're all
We
coming.
haven't killed their goose, right?
Mert, do you have ulti? Start ulti?
Hold them for 7 seconds. I have strat hold them.
Okay, you
Tashira's
use
gonna
it.
ult on the tree
After
first.
you, I'm gonna use it, okay?
Tashira's ulting on the tree first. I just discussed it.
Look on the gates.
I'm above it as soon as someone comes, yeah?
Watch the
Jungle
motion.
in
He's a tree
60
carrier.
seconds.
Bot gate, careful.
They're jumping the walls.
What is he called?
Bell.
Motion's a tree carrier. That's. Here they come. I'm bombing again.
They bomb.
Look on the tree again.
Start ult, like,
I anti-heal. They're all anti-heal.
Extend the shit. Extend it. Pulling as well. Pulling as well.
Jungle in 40
Aziz
seconds.
is carrying that tree.
Healing ult is
Right, healing
down.
I died.
It's fine. Healing all down. Mojo, you're back.
Healing wood on tree.
They
got the tree, they got the tree, careful.
Enemy is sprinting.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Okay, everybody, all the tanks, play around the tree. Create space around the fucking tree, you.
pulling at the mid gate.
DPS, play behind the tree for now. Anti-heal on the tree. If anyone has anti-heal, use it now.
He's one shot.
Tree can die.
He's dead,
Tree's
he's dead, he's dead, he's
Good
dead.
job. Everybody push forward now. They're going jungle. They're going jungle.
Motion
G6
denied
stay.
again.
G5 top side. Top side. G5 top side. G6 stay on tree.
Aziz is on the tree.
This is
I'm going far.
so unfortunate.
Have tree carrier.
Top near needs to be
I
taken.
have anti-heal with the tree carrier. Have we got enough to kill it? Everybody focus the tree carrier. Get ready. Three.
I have strat ult in 3 seconds.
Now.
2 seconds.
Kill the tree carrier. Kill the tree carrier. Kill the tree carrier. Kill the tree carrier.
Bombed on 3.
We couldn't get the fire
He's
one.
dying. He's dying. He's dying.
We got close
mind.
one. Just go back. Go back. Go
Pulling
back.
tree,
Go back.
pulling tree.
Putting my ult.
Pulling on the tree now. Pulling on the tree now. Everybody out
following
of base. Everybody out of base. Everybody out of the fucking base. Now. 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 Nobody inside the base
Healing
anymore.
out.
Get away from the tree as well if you're not a healer. Healing
I'm
ult down in
stuck
front
on
of
the
the
two.
tree
Heal
now.
now, heal now.
Jesus, guys. Look on the tree. Tree carrier can die.
Tree
Okay,
carrier
spread
can
now. Look on bot side. Look on bot side. They have heavy DPS on bot side. Need tanks to dive that shit. DPS as well. Just wipe that shit here.
Mert, come to white side. Let's kill this.
Limitless is now the tree carrier.
Yeah. Look on the tree again. Look around the tree. Around the tree. Do we have any antis?
I got mine in 4 seconds.
I can healing ult.
2.
In front of
One.
tree
Okay.
down.
Now
look on the
tree carrier.
All the tanks disrupt. All the tanks disrupt. Look on the carriers, anti-heals, anti-heals and can die. Carriers dead, good shit. Everybody declump now. Declump away from the tree. Just Serene and Horse, bro. Serene and Horse the fuck up.
Sylvex.
Sprint, sprint,
They're
sprint.
sprinting.
I'm moving to
Man,
left.
I'm being ping-ponged by fucking bells everywhere. Jesus
We
Christ.
need people
Yeah,
to
that-
move 12 here. Tree's anti-heal. Tree can die.
I'm gonna use strat ult.
Tree can die.
Waving 3.
Okay, now declump away from the tree. Declump.
5 seconds to my strat ult.
Asher, how long for your anti?
I'm gonna use my strat ult on the tree.
I just used mine. 20 seconds, come in a sec. I'm bombing on the tree.
Use.
Healing
I'm
out.
gonna use healing. Okay, you use it.
I will follow my healing ult after this.
Yes.
Heal ulting now.
10 seconds, come in a sec.
Pulling next to the tree. It's fucking 30 billion people, bro. Extend it. Next to the tree. Healing
I have
us
anti-heal
down
with the
on
tree
now.
carrier.
Waving at tree carrier.
Look at the tree carrier. 3, 2, 1, now.
Everybody look at the tree. All the tanks disrupt around the tree. Disrupt around it. Disrupt around the fucking tree, bro.
I can healing ult. It's done.
Ah, he didn't die.
Send a party if you can afford it.
He can die. Oh shit.
You know, in front of trip.
Sylvex can die.
Look on the tree. On the tree. Just full claps on the
Waving
tree.
at 12.
We have another
Waving at
party
12.
with
Nice
us. Full
pull.
claps on the tree. Get rid
Tree
of
carrier's
the
dead.
fucking tree carry. Good shit. Okay, you can call him back. Good shit, bro. Good shit.
They died. Nice.
We can send
We're
it.
full wiping them. G5 offense. Sending one party into
Going
offense.
offense. Mert,
Get
you have ulti?
this bitch, Greg.
Okay,
Nice
okay,
stagger.
I'm gonna use it, mine.
G4, use the time to position chickens for jungle.
We're keeping an eye on the
Play
tree.
Six here. Play from 6. I'm pulling on 6 in 3, 2,
Fuck
1.
me.
Pulling on 6.
I will have strat ult in 50.
I use my
Pulling on
off
6.
horsing.
Pulling on 6. It's fucking massive, bro. It's so fucking huge.
We need more disrupt around the tree, because
I'm
That tree carrier died, motion died.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
We won't have sprint up in time. They're full
We can't
collapsing.
lose this game,
G4,
come
just
on,
be
man.
ready to take the fucking jungle. I'm dropping my healing ult here in offense.
I think they're helping offense, right?
We're
healing
gonna.
you, Murph.
We need to stay here. If they start moving that tree now, we're fucked. We
Yeah.
need to be able to disrupt them off the tree if they
They're
show
looking
up.
for a bomb.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
They're coming back now, slowly
They're
but surely.
Yeah, here they come. Get ready.
Nadira, if you're healing ult, feel free to drop it in offense as well. It's okay.
I already used it.
Okay, that's fair.
We don't have a tree carrier.
Yeah, go back now. Go back.
I have strat
We're
ult
leaving.
in 6 seconds.
Coming.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Careful, they're already sending it on jungle. Don't die with the chickens now. Don't die with the fucking chickens.
Smecks, keep an eye on the tree and let me know if you see motion
Yeah.
coming.
Your camp and suck the
Do
camp.
I
so
help
he
them on
stays
jungle
still.
or do I stay? Do I have on jungle?
You ready
I'm
for
on
it?
top far.
They're
I'm on top
heavy on
far.
top.
Perfect.
There
We do not
six
give a fuck
people in
about
top far, guys.
I'm pulling this. Now. Pulling it, pulling it, pulling it. Perfect. Good shit. And out, 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 out. Immediately back to the fucking tree. Immediately back to the tree.
It's kaput.
They will be able to sprint again. Keep it in mind. Look
I
on
don't have
12. We can
strat
fuck them here on
ult.
12.
I
They
have
are
strat
slower
ult.
than we are. I'm pulling on 12, pulling on 12. I'm pulling it, pulling it, pulling it, pulling it, pulling it. Full send it on 12. Those
They
fucking
bomb
retards.
Giving us
strat
shit.
ult.
Horsing to the
Healing
club.
ult this.
Motion.
We're sprinting, guys.
Motion is
We're
coming,
ahead,
motion is
ahead.
coming. He's on 3, he's on 3,
Look,
motion is on
everybody
3.
move further towards the tree now.
Look
Force
tree,
it.
Motion's on the
look tree.
I can heal
Pulling
ult.
tree, pulling tree, pulling tree.
I put it
Bombed
down.
on 3, bombed on
I can
3.
follow tree.
Trying to get the tree.
Never mind, I'll bounce around like a fucking...
You know what?
Tanks
I'm
disrupt
anti-healing
around
tree
the
now.
tree. Disrupt around the tree.
Kill motion!
Tree strat ulted. They will sprint with the first chance they have, bro.
Wait, Limitless is the tree carrier now.
Look full, look. Careful, guys, careful.
Limitless can die.
Limitless can die. Healing ult down. Now.
Guys, somebody play 12. Somebody play 12.
We're playing 12. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. They're dying, they're dying, they're dying. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
I need heal, I need
I
heal.
can't
I
Sprinting
need
now,
move.
heal.
sprinting now, sprinting now,
I can't
sprinting,
move.
sprinting. I blocked him so fucking hard. Declump again, declump.
Nice,
If
good block, good block, good block.
Declump away from the tree. If you don't have anti-heal, don't be on the tree unless you're G6, bro. If you're caged, horse the fuck up.
I died in 12.
Look on 6, we need people to dive 6 here. They have a billion DPS free casting.
Heal ult in 5 seconds.
Any revives on 12?
G4 play full G6. G4
I was
full
too.
G6.
Horsing, and after that I'm start ulting.
Pulling on the tree now.
We have
pulling
strat
it,
ult in
pulling
5
on the
seconds.
tree. It's 50 billion people in front of the tree, in front of the tree, in front
Follow
of
the
the tree.
pole.
All anti-heal.
Follow the pole!
I can
Follow.
follow
I
healing ult.
ulted.
Good shit, good shit, good
Tree
shit.
carrier's
Now
dying,
we're
I
good,
can
we're
see.
good.
I literally can't fucking move.
I'm gonna
Good
anti-heal
shit,
Limitless
bro,
on the
good
tree. See if I can fucking see what I'm doing. 3, 2, 1.
Look top side
now.
wall.
Kill the tree carrier! Kill the tree carrier! Kill the tree carrier!
Look on the tree, look on the tree, on the tree, on the tree, on the tree.
Man, I've turned.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
horsing to the tree.
He's 1 HP, bro. He got full healed. GG.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just keep on disrupting,
You know
bro.
what,
Keep on
tree?
disrupting.
He can die, he can die, he can die.
Tree carrier can die, tree carrier can die.
Trees are about to meet. We'll play from 6, you guys play from 12. Move further towards 6 here. Move further towards 6. Offense is gonna have our 12 covered. Dive into 6 and fuck them here. Everybody dive 6. Everybody dive into 6. G6, move in front of the tree and play in front of the tree.
I'm bombing
Don't
between the
let that
trees in
guy
3
breathe.
seconds. 2, 1. Between the trees now. It's gonna be big. Oh my fucking god. I got executed right out of it. You see-
Okay, focus the fuck up. Healing all down between the trees.
Can we get some?
Last block.
Strat ult in 9 seconds.
5 seconds to my
They'll
ult.
sprint in a
Strat ult.
second. They'll sprint in a second.
I have anti-heal for Limitless.
Yeah, me too, me too, me too.
Strat
They're
ult
sprinting,
on the
sprinting,
3.
sprinting, sprinting.
He can die, I've anti-healed. Yes!
Good block, guys. Good
Good
shit.
block, guys, good block.
We're moving 12 now. You guys take 6. Everybody move into 12. Move into 12. Move towards the fucking middle choke here. Everybody dive that shit.
Kill motion, he's
Giving
one,
us
he's
key shield
one.
on the tree.
Yes, you.
Pulling on red tree here. Pulling
I
on
can
red
heal
tree.
him
Pulling
with
on
this
red.
one.
Pulling on red. Pulling on red.
Kill Steve, kill Steve.
Motion's trying to get on the
Motion
tree.
on
Get
tree.
him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Good
Horsing
shit,
for
guys,
knock
good
up.
shit,
You
good
don't
shit,
solve the
good
tree.
shit.
You can't get on the tree. Holy.
Keep on playing from 12. Nice.
He can die, motion can die.
Tanks dive deeper into 6. Dive deeper into
Horsing.
6. They're pulling deep 12. Just Serene and Horse this shit. Serene and Horse.
Motion can die, motion is dead.
Collapse on offense now. Collapse on offense. Collapse on red tree. G6, stay on blue tree. Just collapse here and help them carry.
Get a tree carrier.
Noxy, trying to get the tree.
Tree,
Kill him! Kill
tree.
him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
Fuck that
Kill him!
guy.
Kill him! Kill him!
He's dead.
Heal ult out.
Healing ult down, stat pad.
Strat ult
Absolutely
there,
no
and
reason to use the
GG
stat pad
everybody,
there.
holy
well done
fuck.
guys, well done.
What a game.
Perfect
GG, well done.
GG. Nice game, nice game.
Oh my
Well
god, let's go.
done. What a fucking
Well
game.
played, guys. Well played.
Good shit to share.
Thank you, you too, man.
What a week.
What a game.